Cows.
What is
Cow.
that?
Cow.
It's a cow?
Cow. Where's the cow? Oh, that's not a cow. Oh, let me see if it is. Let me see if that is a cow. Cow. Uh-huh. He made a leg right there, and the tail right there, and a leg right there, and a leg right there, and a leg right there, and a face right there. That is
Duck.
a cow. Awesome
Duck.
job. Duck. No. Duck. No. Duck. Duck.
Duck, duck, goose.
Duck.
What are you drawing?
Skateboard. Cutter. Draw a skateboard. Cars. Cars.
Batman?
Batman.
Batman. Do you want to draw your ABCs?
A, B, D. You can't draw his ABCs yet.
Do you want to sing your ABCs?
A, B, C, D.
What else?
People. Henry.
Yeah?
Henry. I'm gonna put that on video.
What else do you want to do?
Coloring.
Coloring.
Daddy.
Do you want to say hi to grandmas?
Hi, Grandma.
Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandma.
Say hi, Grandpa. What else do you want to say? Do you want to say hi, cousins?
Hi, Diamond.
Say hi, Aunt Stacy.
Hi, Sadie.
Hi, Aunt Stacy.
No.
Grayson.
Boogly, boogly, boo. No. Yeah, boogie, boogie, yeah. Baby. Ashley, you want to say hi to, you want to say hi to Miss Debbie? Hi, Debbie. You want to say hi, to Braden? Hi, Braden. You want to say hi to Kennedy? Hi, Kennedy. You want to say hi to Mason? Hi, Mason. Hi, Braden.
Say hi to Mommy.
Hi, Mom.
Say hi to Daddy.
Hi, Dad. Ooh, what's... Oh.
Hi, Dad.
Oh, my God.
Hi, Asher.
Soon.
Asher, you want to go to sleep?
No.
No, you want to go to bed?
No.
No.
He wants to color all day.
Do you want to go take a nap?
No.
Why not?
Coloring.
Because you're coloring?
Coloring.
All right.
Light.
Have fun, buddy. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye, everybody.
No.
Say bye, everybody.
No. Big cutter. Big cutter.